Now we're going to go back in the house and let it get good and hot while I take the ribs out of the sous vide and get one of them ready to come out here and finish on the barbecue. Time to take this stuff out. There's one, nice and juicy inside the vacuum sealed package. There's two. These things have spent over 30 hours in here at 145 degrees. And let's take them to the kitchen. And I'm going to set 1, 2, 3 of these into the sink to let them cool off a little bit. And I'm going to take this fourth one, take these ribs and put them on the paper towel and really blot them off well. And get some Malden smoked salt. Sprinkle onto, and this stuff is pretty potent, so you don't want to use too much of it. I'll sprinkle a little smoked salt on top of the ribs, and we are ready to take this and take it outside. And let's see what we have. We are up to over 350 degrees, and that's hot enough. So let's open this up and let's start with the meat side down and put them on the back. Okay, let's see what's cooking here. Well, they are cooking. They are cooking. And maybe I should put them over the flame. All right, let me put them over the flame a little bit. It appears to be baking, but it's not crusting over. So we'll put it, let me put it meat side down actually over the flame, and we'll see what happens, and give it a few minutes that way. This has been about 5 minutes in there. It's still about 300 degrees on the thermometer. Only one burner lit. It is sizzling a little bit. There we go. And that's what now we're cooking. That's what I'm looking for. Little grease. Let's flip it over. Oh, it looks good. Well, we'll leave it on the bone side for a few minutes. So I think that that's probably enough. I'm going to shut off the gas. I'm going to take my ribs back on the cutting board and set the camera up in order to have a taste test. They certainly look good. Wow. Let's cut them up, see how they came out. Oh my, they look great. They look great, and they look juicy and tender. Wow, wow, look at that. Look at that. Look how easily I can slice through them. Wow, this is going to be a good dinner. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Wow. Here I am. And let me grab one of these things. Holy cow, look. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go. Mmm. 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 I will never, ever put down those of you who say, I would rather barbecue them again. These are fall off the bone. Fabulous. Look at the bone. Incredible. And for less than 20 bucks for 4 meals like this, it is a way to add a little variety with an inexpensive meal that, even though it has to sous vide overnight, that's not any work. You put them in, you turn it on, and you're done till the next day. And then 10 or 15 minutes of fooling with the barbecue to be able to have ribs that taste like this with only a little sea salt and without all the rubs and the sugar and the sauces, all of that other stuff that we think we need to put on ribs. The flavor of this is fabulous. I would recommend that you try it. I recommend that you try it. 4 half rack of ribs, which most packages come 2 full racks to a package for less than $20. Vacuum seal them, each half individually. Cook them for 36 hours at 145 degrees. That's important, because with a temperature below like 165, you need the cooking time. Blot them off when you take them out of the sous vide and put them in a hot barbecue for what ended up with a total of about 10 minutes. And this is what you get, which I'm going to eat right now while they're hot. You can go to my website at oldguycarnivore.com. On there, I've got a page that says links to stuff I use every day. These links take you to Amazon affiliate links of mine. And when you buy something through these links, it helps support the channel. Here is everything I use, every kitchen tool, gadget, and everything else. If you think, and there's no obligation, but if you think you might want to get some of the stuff that I use in my videos and do this yourself, whether it be food, supplements, kitchen appliances, tools, gadgets, frying pans, whatever, I would really appreciate it. oldguycarnivore.com. Links to stuff I use page. Doesn't cost you a dime more, and you're really helping me continue to do what I do. Thanks so much, and let's get back to it now. So, I hope you enjoyed this, a little something different. It was for me. I hadn't used that barbecue in years. Thankfully, it still worked. And take the rest of the day off now and eat meat.